U.S. President Donald Trump claims total victory after Iran's ceasefire deal, saying China helped bring Tehran negotiations forward. The U.S. president signals confidence the Iranian issue is settled as he prepares for a Beijing visit in talks with Xi Jinping. U.S. President Donald Trump claimed a total and complete victory following the two-week ceasefire agreement with Iran. He said the deal marked 100% success, with no doubt about the outcome of the conflict. Trump also indicated that China may have played a role in bringing Iran to the negotiation table. Responding to questions, he said he had heard Beijing was involved in facilitating talks with Tehran. The president added that Iran's enriched uranium would be perfectly taken care of under the ceasefire arrangement. Trump is expected to travel to Beijing in May for talks with Chinese President Xi Jinping as diplomacy continues. The remarks come as Washington pushes to convert the temporary ceasefire into a broader, long-term agreement.